firmly believe, be restless. Be restless. Do not settle. There is no such word as compromise. Everybody who has made it, किस्मत एक लॉटरी नहीं है. Some of you are going to be doctors. Some of you are going to be lawyers, teachers, surgeons. Some of you are going to be joining your parents' business. But अगर अभी से ही आप बोलोगे चलो यार सब कुछ है घर में, why are we alive? Why are we alive? I'll tell you something, my friends. We are here to set the world on fire. So I want you to do everything in the pursuit of that fire. Number 1, dream. Dream के बगैर कुछ नहीं होगा. You have to dream. अगर आप dream नहीं कर रहे हो, how do you get to plan B? You need to dream. Without a dream, there is no goal. Without a goal, there is no vision. Without a vision, there is no mission. Without mission, there is no accomplishment. It starts with a dream. Competition problem. Job problem. Everything was a problem. There is no problem. The problem is in your mind. Kids, you need the discipline. Discipline and a deadline is something that is very, very necessary. Because discipline, direction and deadline, these 3 things, आप गाड़ी में बैठोगे, एक तो पेट्रोल नहीं है गाड़ी में, तब आपको पता नहीं आप कहाँ जाओगे, तो आप कैसे जाओगे? और आपको पता भी नहीं है कहाँ पहुँचना है. So the 3 things that were my best friends, and they still are like that. Watch any National Geographic documentary and see how a tiger plans or a lion plans. There is planning, there is preparation, there is practice, and then he presents. Teachers, heads of institutes, to find that spark in every student. Every student has a spark. The spark will be different. Somebody will be creative, somebody will have administration, somebody will be cheeky, somebody will be naughty, somebody will be oversmart, somebody will be shy. They're all sparks. Respect those sparks and bring out the best. Just do the best you can do to find diamonds, because that's what this phase of life is all about. We are here to discover and make each of these students a diamond. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you, boys and girls. Thank you, thank you.